So I'll be showing you how to add another fingerprint to your user account on your Pixel tablet. So let's say you've registered one of your fingers. For instance, I've registered my right index finger, which I use to unlock my tablet. Okay, so as soon as I put my finger there, it unlocks. So let's say I want to register another finger so I can have different options. So what you need to do is go to settings. On the main settings page, you want to scroll to security and privacy. Tap on that. Under security and privacy, go to device lock. Tap on that and then tap on fingerprint unlock. Now it's going to ask for your PIN, so provide that. And then as you can see, I've already registered a fingerprint, and that's what is called finger one. So to add another fingerprint to the same user account, all I need to do is tap on add fingerprint, and then it's going to give me the option to now register a new finger. So let me register my left index finger so I can have both index fingers registered, and I can use either of them to unlock my device. Now, just like the first time, we're going to use the power button to register the fingerprint. So it's a simple process. All you have to do is just keep placing your finger on the sensor, lifting it up at different angles. And when you're done, it will tell you the fingerprint has been added. And now all you have to do is tap on done in the bottom right corner, and now we have two fingers. Okay, now if you want to, you can actually rename these fingerprints. So you can put R I for right index. Of course, you can name it exactly what you want, and then I'll put LI for left index, like that. Okay, you don't have to do this, but you can do it if you want to. Anyway, so once that's done, now I can use both my right index finger like that, and also my left index finger like that to unlock my Pixel tablet. And that's basically how to add another fingerprint to your user account on your Google Pixel tablet. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.